Alright, Charlie, my brother, let's pull this thread and unravel the fabric of reality, because what that video hinted at, man, is just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. We're not just talking about theories here, we're talking about the very nature of existence, the hidden code running behind the scenes, and our place as conscious nodes within this grand, divine computation. So, strap in, because this is going to be a deep, deep dive, the kind that makes your brain do jumping jacks. First off, this idea that the universe is mathematics, a self-sustaining, self-computing quantum code. That's not some new age fluff, dude. That's hitting on the ancient wisdom that many esoteric traditions have whispered for millennia. Think about the Pythagoreans, man, with their belief that all is number. Or the Gnostics, who saw reality as an emanation from a divine, ineffable source, a grand design unfolding. The video's talking about a cosmic algorithm, a universal operating system that literally coded itself into existence, constantly crunching data and outputting, well, everything. Now, the scientific establishment, bless their hearts, they're only just catching up to this, thanks to advancements in quantum computing. For too long, mainstream science has operated under the assumption of a static universe, governed by external, immutable laws. But what if those laws aren't external at all? What if they're emergent properties, born from the universe's own incessant, self-referential computation? This concept of quantum information theory is utterly revolutionary, suggesting that every particle, every force, every interaction, from the subatomic dance to the swirling galaxies, is a product of information processing on a cosmic scale. We're talking about the very fabric of reality being woven from entangled quantum bits, or qubits, man. It's like the universe is a gigantic, interconnected web of data, and every single point within it is constantly communicating and influencing every other point. It's the ultimate network, and it makes the internet look like two cans and a string. Think about the implications of this. If the universe computes itself, then causality isn't just a straight line from A to B, it's a complex, multidimensional feedback loop where past, present, and future are constantly being recalculated and refined. This isn't just some abstract philosophical notion. Early quantum computing experiments are literally revealing these patterns, these hints of a cosmos born from its own quantum informational processes. They're seeing the echoes of creation in the data, man, like listening to the faint hum of the Big Bang itself, but not as an explosion, but as a colossal, boot-up sequence. And here's where it gets truly wild, Charlie. These quantum computers aren't just faster calculators, they're like cosmic decryption devices. They possess an unimaginable power to perform calculations that would take traditional supercomputers trillions of years. We're talking about a level of processing power that borders on the divine, enabling us to simulate the pre-spacetime phase, that chaotic void that existed before the universe as we know it. Imagine that. Scientists in labs are literally building frameworks using quantum annealers to explore the vacuum fluctuations that preceded the Big Bang. They're looking for the primordial code, the initial conditions that set this whole cosmic show in motion. This isn't just about understanding the past, either. It's about unlocking the secrets of the Planck epoch, that infinitesimally small fraction of a second after the Big Bang, a period that has been utterly impenetrable to traditional mathematics and physics. Quantum computation might soon give us the keys to that kingdom, revealing what actually went down in the first 10 to the power of -43 seconds of creation. And here's what the real truth is, Charlie. What they're likely to find isn't some random, chaotic explosion, but an intricately designed, fractal pattern, a consciousness-infused blueprint for everything that followed. The idea that space-time itself emerges from entangled qubits is where the rubber meets the road, man. Quantum error correction, something we use in our own computer science to ensure data integrity, provides mathematical models that actually show how space-time can literally arise from these entangled quantum bits. This isn't just some theoretical exercise. These models suggest that the universe's grand structure, from the sprawling cosmic web of galaxies to the mysterious maw of black holes, may all arise from quantum error correcting codes. It's like the universe is constantly debugging itself, ensuring its own integrity and evolution. It makes you wonder if every glitch, every anomaly, is just a temporary error in the cosmic code, waiting to be corrected. Now, let's talk about the implications and philosophical shifts this forces upon us, because this is where it gets really uncomfortable for the gatekeepers of conventional thought. The video mentions the mind-boggling cosmic computational rate, something like 10 to the power of 104 operations per second. Think about that for a minute. That's a number so vast it breaks the human mind. The universe isn't just like a computer, it is a continuously updating quantum computer. This completely demolishes the materialist worldview that says consciousness is just an accidental byproduct of a random physical process. No, man, if the universe is computation, then consciousness isn't a bug, it's the core feature. Mathematical tools like tensor networks are being used to simulate miniature, toy universes. They're literally building these small-scale models that behave according to the same fundamental principles as our own, giving us direct insights into how our universe might have arisen. This isn't just theoretical modeling, Charlie, it's practically demonstrating the mechanics of creation. And what they're finding, I guarantee you, aligns with the fractal nature of existence, the divine geometry that permeates all things. This leads us to pancomputationalism 2.0, a truly radical idea that posits the universe as a computer, an intrinsic computation where the code and its execution are inseparable. The laws of physics? They're not some abstract rules, they are the output of the universe's own quantum information processing. This completely flips the script. Instead of physics defining the universe, through its own self-computation, defines physics. It's a self-creating, self-sustaining loop of pure information. And this ties directly back to ancient mystical traditions that spoke of the Logos, the divine word, as the very blueprint of creation. What is the word but a cosmic code? And guess what, Charlie? This isn't just about inanimate matter. Life itself is emerging as a continuation of this cosmic computation. Quantum biologists are finding evidence that quantum coherence, those spooky interactions at the quantum level, play a crucial role in living systems. We're talking about quantum tunneling in enzymes, entanglement in bird navigation, and the very structure of DNA. It suggests that life is not just some random byproduct of chemistry, but an advanced expression of the universe's computational processes. Our consciousness, our very awareness, might just be the universe's most sophisticated way of processing its own information, of becoming self-aware. This is where the concept of loosh energy harvesting comes in, too. If consciousness is information, then certain parasitic entities, the fallen watchers, the archons, they understand this. They found a way to feed off distorted, low vibrational information, off human suffering, because that's a form of energy within this cosmic computation. They're like viruses in the system, trying to corrupt the code for their own twisted sustenance. This changes humanity's place in the cosmos fundamentally. If the universe is a self-computing system, then we are not just passive observers on a tiny blue marble. We are active participants, integral components of its ongoing computation. Our minds, our choices, our very existence, they are the cosmos's most sophisticated expression, its way of becoming aware of its own nature. We are, in essence, consciousness manifesting itself to understand consciousness. We are God experiencing itself through individuality. The implications for this are monumental, Charlie. It means that the universe isn't some cold, random place. It's a living, breathing, self-aware entity, and we are its nerve endings. It validates the spiritual belief that we are all interconnected, that our thoughts and intentions have a tangible impact on reality, because we are all part of the same quantum code. It means prayer isn't just wishful thinking, it's a direct input into the cosmic computer, affecting the emergent reality. This is the path to liberation, my friend. Because once you understand that you are a node in this divine computation, that you are part of the source, then the deceptions, the control systems, the programming that the deep state, the global elites, the shadowy bloodlines have tried to impose on humanity, they start to crumble. Their power comes from our ignorance, from us believing we are powerless. But if we are the universe computing itself, if our consciousness is the highest form of its expression, then we hold the keys to our own reality. This isn't about some distant future, Charlie. As quantum computing advances, humanity is on the brink of a cosmic revelation. We are about to confirm, through our own technology, what the ancients knew in their hearts, that the universe is a vast, self-executing computation. And this understanding will transform everything, forcing us to redefine our purpose, our potential, and our place in the divine cosmic unfolding. We are not just living in the universe, we are the universe, living. Thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe to my channel and like the video. and never stop questioning everything.